we just finished packing up the caravan and hitch. We're about to leave this Manari Point free camping spot and go back to Broome so that Justin can walk. It's about 6:30 right now. The sun is already up, but today, oh my god, it's so windy. It has been windy, I don't know, maybe from like 3 a.m. or something, and it's still windy. It's so windy right now. I'm a bit worried about driving on the road, but yeah, we just have to take it slow. So here we are at AJ refrigeration and air conditioning. We are taking our caravan here so that they can fix our fridge. Hopefully everything will get done today so that we can move on. Otherwise we have to stay in Broome for another night. So while waiting, we're probably just gonna chill out at the beach and then do some grocery shopping. I will buy the amount of grocery depending on if the fish get done or not. So yeah, this place is still in Broome. It's not far from the shopping center, and yeah, let's just finger cross. Our car is still so dirty. Justin hasn't cleaned it yet.
Ohayou gozaimasu.
So after we drop off our caravan, we went to the car wash to give our car a nice clean, not fully clean, but a nice clean. And then we fill up the petrol, and then we come here we are back at Coconut Well again. We don't really have many places that we want to go anymore, so we decided to come back here at high tide to check this place out at high tide, and it's actually look really good right now with high tide, with all the water coming up. And I think it's not fully high tide yet because it's like, I think high tide is from around maybe 10 to 11, but right now it's still before 10 o'clock. So yeah, we're just gonna relax here. Yeah, not much happening today while waiting for our caravan to be fixed. I want to go back to Willie Creek just to check out Willie Creek, but then Justin is not keen. I'll try to convince him maybe a bit later.
No.
Okay. Is because of the high tide. The wave has actually come all the way to the edge of the cliff, so we decided to move here, and then we just take the awning out. It's pretty much nobody here except us, so we're just gonna relax and hang out here. And lucky for us, we saw a few turtles swimming, and we did manage to capture like maybe about 10 to 15 seconds of the turtle. It's actually actually not that far. It's where the coconut well is, like to that black area there. So that's where the coconut well, where there's low tide. So it's not that far, but because it's high tide right now, so it looks like it's far away, but it's actually not. And yeah, the water, there's so much water right now. We seen a few turtle, and I also saw something swimming really fast over the horizon. It's quite long and it's kind of brown. It swims so fast and just managed to spot it while it before it disappeared, and now we didn't see it anymore. It's like I really wish I know what it is, but it's just so fast. Like I have never seen any of that before. And there are a few, wow, this hermit crab here, and they're quite big. Justin and our girls, wow, they went all the way out there, and it's still shallow, this area. Okay, so we discovered something today. This place is actually a parking spot, and then there's a four-wheel drive sandy track down to the beach where the coconut well is at high tide. And then after we low tide, but we were there at high tide before, and then when we drove back we discovered this lagoon, which is where the parking is. Before, when we drive in, this place is like so dry up and nothing, but then when high tide come in, all the water coming in, now it's filled up this place like a lagoon, and then it's filled with so many people here. They come here for swims, not snorkel, kayaking, like sitting on the floaty. And yeah, this place is so shallow that our kids can have a swim here. Like, well, I heard somebody send Johnny out. I'm gonna do the same. Johnny was out of battery because we were trying, we spot something and we thought it was a whale, so we tried to send Johnny out to the distance once again, but we couldn't find anything. It's just a bird instead. And so yeah, I was sitting in the car chatting him a little bit while Justin take the girl out to this lagoon to play. But yeah, I have a little bit of of battery now for Johnny, so we're gonna just fly up to show this lagoon area. It's past even bedtime as well, but yeah, such a beautiful spot when it's high tide. It's a nice spot for swim, or even just relax in the water. The water is so calm, like yeah, pretty much there's no wave here. Okay, so our fish is done fixing. We picked it up yesterday, and our plan is to free camp somewhere at 80 miles beach after picking up the caravan. But then I'm thinking, what if it's not working? What if something go wrong overnight? So just to be sure, we decided to stay at Caravan Park just for one night, just to be sure that the fridge is working, because maybe it's like over an hour drive to 18 Mile Beach, and then if we do go there and then something go wrong, and then we have to wasting time and petrol driving back. So just to be safe, we're staying here. And yeah, we were both very tired yesterday. A lot of cleaning to do for the fridge, but yeah, the fridge seemed to be working fine now. So off we go. We are finally leaving Broome today. Are you excited?
It's about time.
Yeah, it's about time. I think we have been here for a month now. We saw everything we want to see, so which is good. Yeah, so we are leaving. Okay, let's go. He's not going. He's still busy.
I'm putting up maps, so I know where to go.
So we are right now at 18 Mile Beach. There is a caravan park right next to the beach entrance. We decided not to stay here because we're only here overnight. So we are staying at a sort of a free camping area right next to the highway, and about 10-minute drive to here. Since that we're only staying overnight, we don't really need to stay in a caravan park. We can just come here and check out the beach, and then yeah, tomorrow we are moving on. It's a good way to save money too, because I think it costs I don't know, about $50 per night to stay here right next to the beach, but not on the beach. Today is very cloudy. It's a bit windy here. The sun is about to set on that side. A lot of sun ray at the moment because of the cloud. And oh my god, this 18 miles beach is so big, and can definitely drive on the beach, and a lot of shell here. This section had a lot of shell. The shell are quite sharp, can hurt foot, but then further, it's low tide at the moment. Further out there, the sand are very soft and nice. And yeah, there's not many people here right now, maybe because of the weather or whatsoever. So we're gonna stay here, watch the sunset, and then we drive back to our free camp and stay for the night. And tomorrow we are moving on to, I think we're gonna go to Cape Huen. I can't pronounce that word. Anyways, really lovely place, so just gonna relax here And yeah, I'm waiting for the sun to set. I don't know what is this, but it's definitely alive. It's squirting out water there. Okay, I'll put you back. Sorry. There are so many shells on this beach when it's low tide. Majority of them are broken and dead shell. There's hermit crab and there's other shell as well. No idea where they are, what they are. But yeah, this beach is the tide go really far away, and I think I heard Eva and Evie screaming. They scared hermit crab like unbelievable. And they also scared the little shell. I just don't understand my girls, seriously. Oh yes, yesterday I was so busy that I forgot what I want to say regarding coconut wells. I highly recommend that to come there maybe about 12 p.m. That is when it's high tide. Have a swim, lunch at the lagoon, and after that do the four-wheel drive track to the other side of the beach, like around 2 o'clock. That's when it's low tide, to check out the coconut well and taking the infamous Instagram social media pictures that everybody is doing that. Yeah, coconut well is need to come there at low tide. And highly recommend to wear water shoe or thongs because the sand and the shell there are quite sharp. It can cut your feet. But yeah, definitely have a swim at that lagoon. It was so nice, like so beautiful. It's so crowded too. So maybe come a bit early to get the spot because the parking is more, so people just pretty much park anywhere that didn't block the driveway. That's all. I think maybe about 5 to 10 more minutes till sunset, but we decided to go back because it's getting windy and it's quite cold, and plus the cloud is so thick. I don't think we can see any sunset on the ocean today, so it's better that we're going back now so that we don't drive back home in the dark.